Are you tired of switching between devices just to access your WhatsApp account? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp across all of your devices. Whether you have an iPhone, Android, Windows or Mac, you can easily link your WhatsApp account and access it on all of them. Let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the settings at the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll down to Link Devices and tap on it. Here you'll see the option to use WhatsApp on other devices. Tap on Link Device and you'll use your Face ID to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll be directed to open web.whatsapp.com or the desktop app on your device you want to link your access to. Simply hit OK and a camera will pop up on your phone screen. This camera will be used to scan a QR code on the device you want to link your WhatsApp account to. So, go to the device you want to add your WhatsApp account to and follow the steps to log in, or go to the web.whatsapp.com. Once you're on the site, hit download at the top right hand corner to open up the App Store. Then pull up the QR code and scan it using your phone's camera. This will add your WhatsApp account to the new device and you are able to use it on both devices. And that's it. With just a few easy steps, you can now use your WhatsApp account across all your devices. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.